How to fix Netflix error NW-2-5. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can fix this error. Now, the first thing you want to do is check your internet connection. Open another app like YouTube and see if it loads properly. If it feels slow, try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data or connect to a different Wi-Fi network. You can also restart your router if you're on Wi-Fi. Next thing you want to do is restart your phone. Power it off for 30 seconds, then turn it back on and open Netflix again. If this issue continues, reconnect to your network. Go to your Wi-Fi settings. Select your network and choose Forgot Network, then reconnect. If you're using mobile data, turn airplane mode on for a few seconds and then turn it off again. Make sure data limits, battery saver or background data restrictions aren't blocking Netflix. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.